Presenting the Chevrolet 1989 Corvette. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include power steering, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, heated mirrors and power mirrors. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.